Test natin tong dalawang unit na i-out natin. So parehas silang WE. Shoutout kay Boss Chick. So WE G17 G4 silver slide, and then WE G18 G4. So si G4 naka-sale ngayon for 5.7 siya, and then ito 7.2. Okay, so unahin ko na to. So si G18 naka metal slide, polymer yung lower frame. So threaded yung outer barrel. May 18C markings dun sa slide. And then may selector siya for full auto function. Ayan. So pagbaba mo nyan, full auto na. And then, ayan yung sights nya. White dot sights. So may kasama din pala siyang grip extender. Ito. Dalawang grip extender. So may underrail na rin for accessory attachment. And then safety selector, ito guys. Bababa mo yan. Okay, so test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. 368, 366, 361. So for full auto function, ayan, bababa ko to. Auto. Yun. And then, ito naman titest natin, G17 G-Force. So naka fiber optic sights, metal slide, polymer yung frame, threaded outer barrel, the same kay G18. So ito yung parang custom ni G17WE G-Force. So may magwell na rin siya, and then naka-enlarge yung base plate niya. Magazine capacity pala, nakalimutan ko sabihin, is 26 rounds for Glock. And then may markings ng skull markings for G-Force. So lahat ng G-Force may skull markings, and then speed trigger or competition trigger. So yung mga G-Force nakaganyan na. So available din in color black, and then firing mode niya is semi-auto lang. Test natin, check natin kung ilang FPS. 350. So kasama niya sa box, ito lang. Okay, so for details guys, for more details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.